Alright, so I have tried out a few different belt sanders lately, and you'll see on my channel the videos unboxing them and using them. But this time I've spotted this orbital sander on Amazon sales. It's a bit of a cheap brand, but I think it might be decent. So we can have a look at the details of it on the back here. If I can get the flash out of the way, you can see the details. And I'm just going to get this straight open. I'm going to do this way, in fact. There we go. Now we can peel this open. This is quite a strong plastic wrap on this. Stronger than things I've seen before. Not sure why. Doesn't really matter. Let's get that off. There we go. Okay, let's get the knife out of the way. And get this box open and see what we have here. I can get this open. There we go. Very nicely packaged. So we have got the sawdust collector, which goes on the back of the sander. The manual, instruction book, Galaxy Pro Rotary sander, orbital sander, whatever you want to call it. And we have the model number here as well. Let's put that to the side. And we have the sander here as well. And actually, we have some additional sanding pads, which I did not know were included. So that is fantastic. So let's get the box out of the way. And let's get all of these things out of the bags. Here we go. So let's see, we have some P80 sanding pads, some P120s and some P100s by the looks of it. That's brilliant. We have got, oh, I've got this quite dirty, the dust collector. Of course I should have cleaned my workbench first, but never mind. And we have the actual sander here as well. Let's have a quick look at this. So it's mains powered, as you can see. We can see the branding on here, the power switch. And here we have, I'm not sure if this is power or speed controls here, but that's nice and easy to use. This has got quite messy already being on my workbench, but never mind, it's going to get messy as it's getting used. So let's put the dust collector on the back here. Now you can see these little ridges. These are going to slot in here, and then push in, and then turn it around to lock it in place. There we go, that's not coming out now. So that will collect, hopefully, some of the sawdust. And then all you need to do is put on a sanding pad. So let's say a P80. Let's take one of these and line it up as best we can. Put that on there. Looks pretty good to me. So there we have our Galaxy Pro Rotary sander. So we're going to give this a test very soon. Watch out for more videos on this channel using this to see if it's any good. And I'll be testing it and seeing how it runs, seeing if it's any good. This is only a cheap brand, but I've heard good things. I think it's going to be pretty decent. So we've got these pads, which I didn't actually realize were included. So I did actually also purchase this pack here of 72 sanding discs, which are exactly the same. As you can see, we have 12 P40s, 10 P60s, 10 P80s, 10 P120s, 10 P180s, 10 PT40s, sorry, P240s, and 10 P320s. And there we go. This is taped shut, so I'm going to leave that for now. But yeah, there we go. So that is the Galaxy Pro Rotary sander. And that is the exact model number if you want to buy the same one. There we go. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.